Hi guys, welcome to Zandrix World, and we're here for another unboxing. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga upcoming videos, and don't forget to follow our social media accounts in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. Okay, so pansinin natin muna ang ating hiwagang Happy Meal box. Ito ay ang mga nirelease ng McDonald's Philippines. Ito ang Spider-Man Brand New Day. So in support of the movie that's gonna be showing on July 29, 2026 exclusively in theaters. Yan nga siya, Spider-Man. Okay, so simulan natin. Nag-release sila ng 10 toys for this release. And meron originally 12 toys. So may dalawang hindi na-release dito sa Pilipinas. Anyway, simulan natin ang ating unboxing. Okay. And by the way, bukod dito, meron nung separate na apat na toys din na add-on. So, sa collectible din. Alright, so this is the first item. Okay, first toy number 1. Okay, and now. At ito ay yung McDonald's X Spider-Man backpack. Okay, so this set of toys ay puro backpack. Okay. So, ayan, satin natin. Oh, yan. This is yellow heart. At yan yung mata ulit ng spider, yung pinaka-mukha niya. Okay. Lagyan natin dyan. Then, inside is okay, nilagyan na ang mga papel. Okay. Ayan. Oh, ito, sa backpack. Then, dito sa ibabaw yung M, yung golden arches. Yan, meron siyang chain, parang yung chain nung ano yun, yung Crocs. Okay, yan siya. Cute niya, di ba? Okay. So, paano nga ba siya gawin? Ito, dito siya pinapasok. Okay, then it's like you're shooting a web. Bala mo dyan. Boom! Okay, ulitin natin. Mas malakas siguro. Mas malayo. 1, 2, 3. Ooh! Okay. So anyway, yan yun. That is toy number 1, which is McDonald's X Spider-Man backpack. Okay. So let's move on to toy number 2. Okay, here's toy number 2. So, yan ang box niya sa harap. Iba naman ang design. Spider-Man pa rin na nakabaliktad. And there's a yellow box. Okay. O mamaya, may scan to play pa nga pala tayo. Okay, yan siya. Yellow and red spider web backpack. Okay, subuksan natin. Okay, ito naman yung bala niya. Yung parang web shooter. Okay. May mukha ni Spider-Man. Okay. And ito. Okay natin. So, it's yellow. Yellow and red nga siya. Yellow and red. So, gaya nung nasa harap. Same ang design. See? Ayan siya. Yung mga red web. Ganda nung details niya. Para talaga siyang backpack. Okay. So, may zipper pa dito. Yan. Meron din siyang chain. So, yan. Yun siyang keychain. Yan. Meron kang, of course, web shooter. Kira din natin dito sa box. Okay. Tingnan natin. Medyo malabo. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. One more. Ooh! Nagala yung Happy Meal box natin sa gitna. Tingnan natin. Ayan, okay. So that is toy number 2. Yellow and red spider web backpack. Okay. So let's move on with toy number 3. Okay, here's the next toy. Toy number 3. Natin. Oh, ayan meron yung logo ng spider dito. Ayan ang Spider-Man. Napasagod. Okay. Ito ay yung blue Spider-Man backpack. Ayan siya. Blue Spider-Man backpack. Okay, buksan natin. Okay. Ano itsura ng web shooter? Ayan. Uy! Parang same lang nun. Pero iba na. Mas flat siya. Like yung kanina heart. Okay. Buksan natin. Okay. Yan siya. Ooh. Ayos. Okay, ganun na ganun, no? Spider-Man. Ayan siya, oh. Red yung likod, blue yung harap. May mga parang bulsa sa gilid ng backpack. Red and red yung parang dito, blue. Okay, so natin ang web shooter. Ooh, ready na. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, lakas. Pa. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, ayos. Ganda rin no? Okay. Okay. Yan yung toy number 3 natin. Yan yung blue Spider-Man backpack. Okay, so let's move on to the next toy. Our next toy is this one. Okay, so this is okay. Meron siyang blue na frame and pink yung gitna. Pink na box. Okay, nakalagay dito pink Spider-Man backpack. Okay. Alright. Ito yung web shooter niya. Oh, may heart din. Heart. Medyo curve yung kanyang shooter. Okay. Natin kung anong itsura ng backpack. Puro backpack to. Ang daming mga niralis ng Spider-Man yun. Iba-iba. Pero sa McDonald's ito. Tapos meron pa isa yung magandang mga parang collectibles na parang figurine. Ayan. Binala natin. Pakita mo na natin sa inyo yung backpack pala. Ayan. Si Spider-Man. Sa gitna. Okay, gaya nung design dito sa box. Okay, kulay pink, and blue yung likod. Ito, yung chain ay puti. Ayan siya. Okay, bala na natin. 1, 2, 3. Medyo mahina siya. Pata, 1, 2, 3. Lakas natin. Hindi siya tumama. Okay, anyway. Okay, yan yung toy number 4 natin. So ay ang Spider-Man pink Spider-Man backpack. Alright, for the girls. Okay, so we have toy number 5. Toy number 5 is red and blue spider backpack. Alright, isa natin. Red and blue. So kanyang shooter ay color blue. May Spider-Man logo. Okay, and natin yung backpack. Okay, so it's red. Ayan o, spider logo. Ayan siya. Parang costume ni Spider-Man. Parang bagay ito. Meron siyang yellow na chain. Ayan, yellow yung chain niya. Okay. Ayos. Ganda no. Okay, so this is toy number 5 natin. Bahala natin ang kanyang web shooter. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Malakas-lakas to Ito pa. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Ay, humina. Alright. Okay, so that is toy number 5. Red and blue spider backpack. Okay, so we're halfway there. We're halfway done. Okay, tapos na tayo ng first 5. Move on tayo sa second half ng mga toys. This is the toy number 6. So, yung box niya sa harap, Spider-Man pa rin. And sa likod, ang pangalan niya ay Red Spider-Man Backpack. Meron tayong red blue. Naman ay yung red lang daw. Yan, tingnan natin kung may tsura. Okay, yellow yung shooter niya. Meron din curve. Meron Spider-Man logo sa gitna. Alright. And next, okay, this is ito nga yung red backpack niya. So more or less maraming red to kaysa din sa kanina. So puro red lang. Ang blue lang is yung bulsa at yung likod. Yung chain niya is blue din. Yan. Okay, so wala na natin ang shooter. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Ito pa. 1, 2, 3. Ayos. Okay. That is toy number 6. Yung red Spider-Man backpack. Okay. Next natin. Ito, toy number 7. Okay, wow, maganda siya, oh. Red and black. Okay, meron pang heart and ano to? Black Spider-Man heart backpack. Toy number 7. Tingnan natin. Oh, wow, okay. Hindi siya with the Spider-Man mask sa gitna. That's the web shooter. And this one, okay, wow, yun siya, black, may mga heart na Spider-Man masks. Ayan, natapos yung chain niya is ayan, tapos sa bag mo. Okay, black and red siya, tapos yellow yung chain. Tapos iba natin itong white na shooter niya. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, ayos, lumakas ah. Pa, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, diba? Ayos. Ayos to, no? Makakatawa. Okay, so that's toy number 7. Okay, it's the Spider-Man. Black Spider-Man, black heart backpack. Okay. So, ano tayo? Next, number 8. Ito naman, number 8. So, ito ay ang black and pink Spider-Man backpack. Okay, so Spider-Man brand new day. Ayan, tingnan natin. Buksan natin. So, ang web shooter niya ay pink. Oh, ganda oh, pink. Okay. Ayan, tingnan natin yung loob. So, tingin niyo ba, lalabas si Miles Morales na sa susunod ng movie ng Spider-Man brand new day? Parang may clues kasi nalalabas si Miles Morales. Kasi nandun yung Into the Spider-Verse na movie sa Disney Plus. So, ang laki yung speculation sa lalabas si Miles Morales. Alright, pero yan yun. This is the, tingnan ito, ang ganda oh. It's pink. Pink and black. Maganda rin talaga ang combination ng pink and black, no? Okay. Ang stick tingnan. Ayan, so web shooter na tayo. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, ang layo. Layo na nangarating ito ah. Pa, ito naman. 1, 2, 3. Oh, medyo nabitin na siya doon. Okay, ayan. So that is toy number 8. So, black and pink Spider-Man backpack. Okay? Alright, so malapit na tayo matapos. Meron na tayong toy number 9. Ito naman. Toy number 9 ay ang diba? Logo pa rin ng Spider-Man. Parang napulot lang siya to reveal the logo. And that is the green and purple spider backpack. Okay, buksan natin. Oh, okay. There you go. Para purple shooter. Purple web shooter. Ano naman yung green and purple. Parang Incredible Hulk yung team na green and purple. Ayan, pero pink yung kanyang chain. Okay. For girls siguro to. Ang pink. Medyo pink. Ayan. So anyone can get any color naman na ngayon. Hindi na ganun dati. Blue is for boys and pink is for girls. Kaya anyone. Ito, magaganda na ako sa pink. Ganda sa pink. Ayan o. Alright, and let's do the web shooter. Okay, let's start. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Ooh! And next one, 1, 2, 3, go! Ooh, yeah! Ayos! Alright, okay, so that is it. That is the toy number 9, which is green and purple spider backpack. Alright. Ayan. Okay, so ito na ang last and final toy natin. Toy number 10. Daming toys yun, 10. Tapos kulang pa ng dalawa, no? Sana yung mga toys ng McDonald's release na lang nila ng lahat, no? Every country. Parang wala nabibigito ng mga bata. At yung mga iyang at heart. Okay, may binuksan ko na siya. Yun yung box niya. Binuksan ko na siya yung purple and green Spider-Man backpack. At siyang white na shooter. flat. Ayan, spider logo, Spider-Man logo. Ayan, tingnan natin yung laman. Oh, halos kumukha niya yung isa, no? Pero parang kabaliktaran niya siya. More on purple naman to and green. Oh, kasi yung kanina, green and purple. Ito naman is purple and green. Wow. Ayos. Pero pink pa rin yung kanyang chain. Ayan, ayos, no? Mas meron pa rin siyang heart dito. Okay. Walang Spider-Gwen, no? Hindi lalabas sa brand new day si Spider-Gwen. Walang siya sa Into the Spider-Verse. Kay Miles Morales. Ayan, one. Okay. Actually, na kami ng pinanood na namin lahat ng mga Marvel. Ako na lang ang naiwan. Ako yung nagpa-umpisa na mag-binge watch ng mga Spider-Man na mga ng buong Marvel na cinematic universe, pati yung mga multiverse, other movies. Halos tapos na ako. Doon na ako kay actually, medyo naiwan na ako. Pero panangali pa rin namin tong brand new day. Nauna pa yung misis ko. Kasi ako lagi akong nasa work. Ano ako, patigil-tigil lang nood. Okay, but anyway, yan, malapit na nga yung movie, Spider-Man Brand New Day. Sa July 29 na siya. So, nood na kayo sa nearest cinemas. Ayan, o. Daming mga merch ngayon ng Brand New Day. Okay, so mukhang maganda ang movie. Alright, and that's it. That's the toy number 10. Okay. And let's do the scan to play. Okay. Kung natin yung toy number 10 natin. Okay, so let's do the scan to play. Alright. Okay. Sana ba? Sana yung scan to play. Ayun. Scan to play. Okay. Let's play. Play game. Rotate your device. Ayun nga. Ganyan. Rotate the landscape. Landscape to, diba? For landscape. Okay. Oh, great job. Oops. Baka makapirect na naman tayo. Let's play. Okay. Naglo-loading siya, mga kaibigan. It's loading. Oh, basag-basag na yung phone ko. Alright. Find all the gadgets. Shoot webs and collect the backpacks. Move left and right. Up to jump. Okay. Sound cues can be turned on. Accessibility settings. Okay, level 1. Okay. Ito, shoot. Shoot. Ito, jump. Okay. Auto. Yeah. 1. Ito na tayo ng 1. Okay. Yes. Oy, nandun yung isa. Oh. Ayan, nakita dito. Yes. Ayos. Okay. Oops. Ayun. Paano kunin yun? Kailangan natin i-shooter. Ayan, shoot. Ayos. Okay. Alright, nawawala na tayo. Oops, asa na? Oh, hindi. Ayun, nakuha natin. Yun. Ayos. Oops, ang hirap ah. Ang kulit, nang-stuck yung daliri ka. Oops, ayun oh. Ay. Uy, tayo. Ayaw ah. Nakuha natin. Ayun, tapos ng level 1. Ang hirap, medyo ano kasi, dry yung aking kamay. Hindi siya hindi siya nag-slide kaya medyo ang hirap. So ano na nangyari? Tapos na ba? Tapos na ba ang scan to play natin? Tapos na. Okay. Mukhang ganda na lang yun. Hindi na talaga na. Pero anyway, that is the scan to play. Tapos na natin itong video kasi tapos na. Okay, so I will show you all the toys now, okay? Okay, so guys, ayan na ating 10 toys. Okay, so ang ganda na, diba? Very colorful. Okay, so again, this is toy number 1, McDonald's X Spider-Man backpack. This one is toy number 2, yellow and red web backpack. Then toy number 3 is blue Spider-Man backpack. Toy number 4 is pink Spider-Man backpack. Toy number 5 is red and blue Spider-Man backpack. Actually nagkapalit sila ito yung red and blue. And this one is the Spider-Man red Spider. Baliktad nga, tama. Ito yung red. Okay, mali yung ng kopyahan natin. So this is the red and blue Spider-Man backpack. This is the red Spider-Man backpack. Then this is the black Spider-Man heart backpack. Then the black pink Spider-Man backpack. And then green and purple spider backpack. And then the purple and green Spider-Man backpack. Alright, so that is everything, guys. Okay, so medyo ito. So yung kopyahan ko ay ito. Yung mismong app. So medyo may error sila dito. No? Kasi ito yung red Spider-Man. Tama, yun yung red Spider-Man na backpack. Teka, ano yung red? Red and blue. Ito yung red and blue Red and blue, ito siya. Ito siya. Pero nakalagay dito, ito daw yung red and blue. Ito yung red and red lang. Red. Ito yung red lang. Okay. So wag nagkamali kayo, patay. Okay. So better pumunta na kayo sa store. Store na lang kayo. Gusto nyo bilhin lahat. Bilhin nyo lahat. Pag magpa-deliver kayo, nako, kakagulo kasi nagkamali itong dalawa. Okay, so I'll see you all soon, guys. So thank you so much sa panonood. Sana nagustuhan yung ating unboxing video. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga upcoming videos. And don't forget to follow our social media accounts in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. Okay, so I'll see you all soon, guys. So bye-bye. Meron ba tayong next na video after this? Yun nga, 4 na adult toys, yung add-ons, and we'll do that next. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, but bye for now.